Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about stocks, especially Reliance, HDFC and ICICI Bank. Let's start with simple price action. So we are going to check for Reliance September month. So here is the open. This becomes our strong resistance and strong support, which is from the previous month, August. And then since it is having a monthly expiry, here you could see where the open and close are almost similar. So till now, for day 1 till day 6, it is day 6, it is having a positive decay point for the first week. Okay, now let's move on to the week 2 and we'll see what's happening. So this is week 1 status, positive decay. Also, market is having a USA based news, so the tariff news is still going on, which might affect the market. And then IV is also around 10, which is favorable to sellers. Okay, so we have to check that as well. So this is a very big range, and then this becomes a very small support. If this breaks or this range breaks, then we might see a bigger move. So until that we have to wait, so that market collects its SL point so that it could hunt easily. Now we have HDFC Bank, pretty easy for September month. So you could see this is September open, and then this is the low point and this is high point, and exactly at its strong resistance. Okay, now we'll go and check for ICICI Bank. So ICICI Bank is clearly sideways. So this is September month open, so it just went, hits high, and then exactly comes to the major support, again then high, again then support, and then exactly close. So for the week 1, open and close are almost similar. That means till now it's a positive straddle for seller straddle positions. Okay, a straddle can be from range 1410 to 1380. Okay, so 50 point straddle is already in positive. Now we'll move on to the OI to check more details. Okay, so I'll start with the trading tick website. So first of all, we will check with Reliance. So here is the Reliance. Overall positions are still favorable to the sellers. As you could see, call writing is heavily built up. Okay, now we'll go and check for HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank is done doing its breakout, but still it's at its critical resistance, and then also resistance is high in the overall OI. Okay, so to break the resistance it need more buyers. Let's see. Okay, so here ICICI Bank is almost being sideways for Friday, and overall the resistance is heavily built up. Okay, now we'll check the close range OI for Reliance. Okay, so here is the Reliance chart, and then you could see 81 versus 31. So clearly resistance is more in Reliance. When you check for HDFC Bank, so 950 to 1000 is the point, and currently market is standing at 960, which is at its support. Okay, here also 47 versus 30, so resistance is more in the market. So we'll check for ICICI Bank. Okay, so here when you check, it's 15 versus 8, so the OI is bit slow with the ICICI Bank, and then we can't come to a conclusion because it is also standing at its support. Let's wait and watch if any news pops up for September month. Okay, so also the Trump is bit delusional with his decisions, and then yeah, his decisions will impact market, so we have to just wait and watch what it has to he has to come up with some better idea for his market as well as our market. So okay, let's just do the analysis. Reliance open, here you could see it was a gap up, and then it was going up straight up. So 60 is the open, the green line, and then you could see it's definitely a positive decay of 2 points. Okay, now let's do a small calculation. So I'll do the profit calculation here. So you see open is here, close is here. So when you check for profit calculation, one lot is 500, and the decay points is 2 points plus 2, so it is 1k profit plus tax and brokerage. Okay, so similar pattern you can do it for HDFC Bank as well. So let's go and check for HDFC Bank. So here is the HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank was also a bit sideways, but it was a V-shaped recovery mimicking the Bank Nifty index chart pattern. Okay, so open was 960, so the red line, and then you could see it was also a profitable trade for HDFC Bank. Okay, now we will go to ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank open was 1410. So here also you could see from 38 it went to 37, 1 points DK points, so it's a profitable trade. Now we will check the overall OI. So let's just delete this chart pattern. Okay, so here we'll go and check for Reliance first. So this is Reliance, and let's see. So strike count is 30, so that will give a better view. It will get a better view. Reliance, you see profit booking already started for first week, and then when you check for straddle point, exactly 80 has a straddle point, and the resistance is 1400 for Reliance. I'll check for HDFC Bank. For HDFC Bank, 1000 is going to be the resistance point, and then when you check, so here you could see 1000 is the resistance, and the straddle is almost at 60, 70 and 80. Okay, profit booking in the put writing side. Okay, now we will go and check for ICICI Bank as well. ICICI Bank also 1400 is a strong resistance, also a straddle point. Thank you guys.